Hello, a very good afternoon. So going to do a quick preview of the G20 summit, so that's in the host country of Mexico overnight and into tomorrow. But firstly, just a quick recap of the Greek situation. So over the weekend, we saw the New Democracy Party and Samaras as the leader. They claimed the largest stake in the votes, so they now have 129 seats in Parliament, and to form the 151 seat majority, they need to form a coalition. So they have met with the Syriza party leader Tsipras, and he said he won't be part of any coalition, so it now falls on the PASIC leader Venizelos to be part of that governing coalition. So this mandate is a 3-day mandate, so this will be very key going ahead in today's session and over the next couple of days into Wednesday. But looking ahead to the G20 summit, this will be largely overshadowed by the Greek situation. A few of the leaders have been late in arriving to that because of the Greek elections, but we have seen quite a few leaders saying that they're pleased with the outcome out of Greece so far. Now, one of the key topics will be the IMF's fund and its firepower. So back in April, we did see a lot of the countries' leaders of the G20. They did agree to boost the firepower of the IMF by $430 billion. But one of the main sticking points there was from emerging nations. They said they'll probably contribute, however they wanted greater voting rights within the IMF. So this will be key going ahead tonight. They have now confirmed they will contribute, however no given amount, so this will be quite interesting going ahead. But we have seen that China will probably contribute around $60 billion. They haven't confirmed that yet, but we're looking to see that tonight. Another sticking point was from the US. They were reluctant to commit to the IMF's funds because a lot of the funds from the IMF are now being used to bail out European countries and for the Eurozone debt crisis. So they're basically giving money to bail out Europe. However, they have now overcome this, but it does still remain a sticking point. So any comments around that and around any sort of increase in the funds from 430 billion will be fairly positive. So leaders look to arrive at that around 9 o'clock London time tonight, so around the Wall Street closing bell, and they are gathered around the round table at 10 PM London time. But for the time being, that's enough from me. We'll have a little wrap up for you at the Wall Street closing bell. But in the meantime, have yourself a great trading afternoon.